Welcome to our in-depth comparison of the Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 and the Multigroom 7000 series. In this video, we will explore the key features, differences, and similarities between these two versatile grooming kits. Whether you're looking for a reliable trimmer for your beard, hair, or body, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 features dual-cut self-sharpening blades designed for efficient trimming. In contrast, the Multigroom 7000 series boasts titanium-coated blades that not only enhance durability but also provide a superior cutting experience. This difference in blade technology is crucial for users seeking longevity and performance in their grooming tools. While both grooming kits come with 23 pieces and various attachments, the Multigroom 7000 series introduces Beard Sense technology, which adjusts power based on beard density for a more efficient trimming experience. The standard model, while versatile, lacks this adaptive feature, making the newer model a more advanced choice for personalized grooming. When it comes to pricing, the Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 is available for $64, making it a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the Multigroom 7000 series is priced at $79, reflecting its advanced features and technology. Depending on your grooming needs and budget, either option could be the right fit for you. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco Multigroomer 7000 and the Multigroom 7000 series offer excellent grooming solutions. The choice ultimately depends on your personal preferences and grooming needs. If you're looking for advanced technology and durability, the Multigroom 7000 series is the way to go. However, if you're seeking a reliable and cost-effective option, the Multigroomer 7000 remains a strong contender. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.